What are these glowing orbs that are swooping through the sky everywhere? Are they an accident of nature or an omen of doom? Let's find out that the thunderstorms have always been connected to thunder and lightning, which was fascinating and frightening to people throughout history. The Greeks introduced the flash along with Zeus, the most powerful of the gods, in Antiquity. And even though people today are aware of the electrical nature of this natural occurrence, not all of its secrets have yet been revealed in the higher reaches of the night sky. For example, strange light phenomena have frequently been seen. Some of them could be explained by existence of alien life. When John R. Winkler and his colleagues at the University of Minnesota in Minneapolis observed one of the video camera's most mysterious phenomena in 1990, the majority of the scientists took these claims seriously. Images for the first time displayed entirely novel types of flashes. Since then, there have been active attempts to document these discharges in the upper air envelope, and hundreds of them have been observed from space shuttle aircrafts and the ground, demonstrating that lightning discharges frequently occur in the thin air layers up to 90 kilometers above the clouds, in addition to the occasionally spectacular flashes that occur in the lower air layers between thunderclouds and the Earth. In retrospect, it's amazing that we weren't able to document these discharges earlier. As part of a project funded by the National Science Foundation, Jason Arns, a graduate student at the University of Alaska Fairbanks, and other researchers from the U.S. Air Force Academy and Fort Lewis College have been on a mission. The group has been searching for Sprites this summer by flying many times in the Gulfstream V research aircraft of the National Center for Atmospheric Research for a total of 30 hours. Electrical discharges known as sprites, commonly referred to as red lightning, are visible above the clouds during thunderstorms, similar to the naughty air spirits of the fantasy land for which they are named. The weather phenomena is difficult to detect and even harder to capture on camera since it is so brief. Sprites flash for just milliseconds and, for the most part, not visible from the ground. With the aid of DSLR cameras and high-speed video cameras positioned in the plane's window, Arns and his colleagues have, however, managed to take some incredibly uncommon pictures of the red lightning. Sprites and other types of upper atmospheric lightning are produced by physical and chemical mechanisms that the researchers seek to better understand. Let's start by defining a sprite. A type of electrical discharge in the high atmosphere known as a sprite is connected to thunderstorms. The air above the cloud is ionized by a sizable electric field caused by a few lightning strikes, which causes the cloud to emit the light shown in the images. The obvious comparison to the common lightning strikes we frequently witness is inevitable, but I prefer to emphasize how much higher the sprites are, with the tops rising up to 100 kilometers and higher. A sprite can grow to a height of 50 kilometers, whereas a lightning bolt may only travel about 10 kilometers from a cloud to the ground. On August 3, 2013, a jellyfish sprite was photographed over Republic County, Kansas. What circumstances led to their occurrence? They are linked to positive lightning strikes, which occur when a cloud builds up a positive charge and then unleashes a lightning bolt. Sprites aren't strongly related with the most common type of lightning, but it's also not that uncommon either. Negative strokes, which result from an accumulation of negative charge, are roughly 10 times more common, more than merely a positive stroke. The possibility of a sprite increased with the amount of charge that was transported during the stroke. As a result, we search for a significant positive charge moment change, which is essentially a positive stroke weighed by the amount of charge transferred. Most severe thunderstorms appear to create the circumstances necessary for sprites. However, some do so more frequently than others. We simply look for storms that have a history of many significant positive charge moment changes and go investigate them. Even for explorers, activities like flying into thunderstorms and camping out on mountaintops while waiting for one typically don't make the cut. Did you know that a lightning bolt can reach temperatures of more than 30,000 degrees Celsius? This is why lightning is so dangerous. There is still some mystery surrounding thunderstorms in Earth's high atmosphere because they are too high for balloons and too low for weather satellites, making it impossible for scientists to observe them directly with sensors. Thunderstorms and lightning strike over water more frequently than over land. Though water is struck by discharges roughly 5 times less frequently than the ground or other objects, however, there are other instances and information that we have only recently learned about, including a variety of strange, previously undiscovered phenomena connected to lightning. With this, we conclude our video. We appreciate you helping us keep it going by watching. The best way to support our channel is to watch another episode. Thank you for tuning in. To ensure that you never miss an episode, please subscribe to the channel.